Good Monday! What are we making today? We're making tuna for two from 1950. It's a recipe I found in Good Housekeeping. Where's the pepper? I tell ya! Tuna salad for two. What intrigued me was the way they make the hard-boiled eggs. I've never made hard-boiled eggs that way. People do. There are videos on YouTube of people making eggs this way. It says to put the eggs in a pan, put cold water in, we'll bring it up to a boil, cover it, and let it stand 15 minutes. I'm going to take it off the heat. They say to use half a can of tuna. And then the rest of the can you can use the next day in sandwiches. This is a 2-serving tuna salad using half a can. It does say half a cup, and then it says half a can. Like a tablespoon of relish, 1/4 cup of mayo, some vinegar, no pepper. The original recipe is in the description. 1950 tuna salad for two. Let's start yapping and let's get cooking. Tuna Salad from 1950. Good Housekeeping magazine. This does not look like 2 servings, but then again, it's 2024. We still had tuna left over. I usually eat the whole can. Let's give it a try, huh? No pepper. Where's the pepper? That's really good. Oh, I really like that. Let's take another bite before I say anything else. And the green onions confused me. It said like 4 green onions with some of the tops. I used like 4 of the bottoms and some of the tops. So let's give it another taste. It's very good. That's very good tuna salad. I'm gonna eat an egg. Let's eat an egg. It said lettuce cups. I wasn't gonna cut up my head of lettuce. These are outer leaves. I'm fine with eating the leaves once I get down. When we get down there, I'll cut up the leaves. Right now, I'm happy eating the tuna salad. Wow. I'm not really missing the pepper, though I think pepper would be nice. I like pepper in my tuna. It's very tasty. It's very tasty. I'm kind of happy. Very crunchy. It's tangy, but not overly so. It's salty because it's tuna. Wow, I'm happy. Hey, thanks for joining me this Monday. Full original recipe is in the description. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching.